Hi, I'm Shireen. So I'm a certified Unplug meditation teacher. I actually flew here from Indonesia because I want to learn from the best, davidji and Suze.
Teacher training has been incredible. I feel a lot more courage, more in my body.
Today was really special because we all got to sit down and practice our signature meditation on each other. We were able to mess up and be nervous and just work it out, and everybody was so supportive and we all ended up nailing it. So it was great.
Last night was our final teaching to the public, and I had so much confidence and spoke with such ease, and that's through the training that we received over the past 6 weeks. So I'm extremely grateful for that.
The course absolutely exceeded my expectations. I was a little bit nervous about doing this because I didn't necessarily know if I wanted to be a teacher or not, but I found it super inspiring, and being around a group of like-minded people ended up just igniting the most creativity that I've had in a really long time.
And the highlight for my day today was just being with davidji. Like he lives everything that he preaches, and it's just so good to be able to have an opportunity to learn from him.
Suze and David, thank you so much, and I would highly recommend this program for anyone looking to deepen a personal practice or to expand their professional practice and business. Thank you so much.
I have gained so much more confidence in just being with myself.
My biggest takeaway, so many things, but the biggest one is about holding space. So not only holding space as a meditation teacher now, but I'm taking that gem into my daily life.
It'll test you in all different ways, but it's just beautiful, and you'll get out the other side and feel 10 times better.
I learned about the teacher training program because I'm a power user of the app. It's been a daily part of my life for well over a year, and I love it.
I would absolutely recommend it to a friend, and for anybody, not just if they want to be meditation teachers, but if they just want to grow in different areas of their life.
It was beyond worth it. It was worth the time and the money, and I have some great friends now too.
The Unplugged studio is just really doing a good job at making meditation accessible and modern, and it's just, it's a place that I want to learn and grow from.
And I'm so excited to share these teachings with the world. And I'm so grateful that I'm here. I'm learning so much.
I feel like I have a strong tool to set healthy boundaries and bring people together in a positive way.
So if you're thinking even just an ounce of maybe I could be a meditation teacher, I'm kind of interested in going on the journey, I would just say absolutely 100% do it. Just jump in full on in.
I'm leaving here with a sense of calm and more peace, and I hope to spread that to everyone that I come in contact with. So thank you so much, Suze and davidji.